Okay, today I'm gonna show you how I make that my pork sinigang. Oh, look at that. Look at that close up. Oh, and then I show you how to prep that, and then remove that also. And then fill that, and then gonna show you my way or the highway. Oh, and then I eat like that. Oh, very sarap. Oh, you first you cut that pork belly like that. Pork belly. Pork rib. Don't like a pork belly. I have already big, no, a big belly. You cut like that into pieces like that. And separate that ribs. Okay, how to prepare that kamatis? You remove that, decor that, and then you remove like that. You leverage your thumb like that, and then you cut that half, and then in half as well, half and half. Yung onion, you fill that like that. Not fill that. You remove that, and then you what do you call that? Yeah, and then you indent like one like that, and then you remove like that. You feel that. Oh, you feel that. Okay. If you're crying, you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Cut again. And then you open that close. Tick tick tick. And then you put that plane like that. And then you put that whatever you cut already like that. Oh, yan, oh, and that ribs. And then what do you call that? Yung tubig, very cold water. You pour like that. Oh, I need to wee. Anyway, and then you bring it to a little bit boil, and then you remove that scammer that's floating in the surface. Oh, that scammer is always scamming me, huh? He's always I always block them, and they always call me back. Oh, look at that close-up of the scam. Oh, that's dirty, filthy, very filthy, my gosh. Should I scam them back, huh? And what's next? And then you close that open, click clack front and then back when it's boiling, okay? And then you turn that anti-clockwise, and then anti-clockwise like that, make a reduced small flame, whatever. Okay, yung labanos, you feel that like that away from your body. If you feel the other way, you gonna feel your body. Don't want that. Okay, safety first. And then look at that. Oh, look at that technique. Oh, you curl your fingers like that, so you don't chop your finger like that. You don't chop off your nails. Just don't worry, it's gonna grow back. And then you cut that into a semi-circumstance. Then that's next. Yung then hairy brown you remove the tips, and then you cut in the half again. You cut, use your muscle, use your strength and endurance. And then you remove that brown thingy, that hairy, and then yeah, like that. You feel that, you keep feeling, and then you cut that in half again. You use your muscle, your heavy duty muscle. You cut like that. Yan. Yan. See, use your two hands. You have two hands, the left and the right. See, and then like that. Bok choy, because I can't find what do you call that? Kangkong, langlong in my country. So, bok choy. Sili, and then yung mga okra, you remove the tips. Yan. You like my tips, you remove the tips again, tip to tip. See? And then cut that into like that. That green piece, not the green piece, snake piece. And then remove that tips. Just remove that hard bit. Yeah. Okay. That's finished. After 30 or 40 or like 50 minutes, use the tongs so you do not get burned. And then you release the steam like that from your head if you're stressed. And then okay, you open the close. Look at that. It's very I don't know. And then you put that white white box, and then you put that takpan again. Yan. Removed again. It's boiling. Look at that close up. Wow, looks very good like that. Wow, look at that. Look at that rib. Wow. And then you put that semi-circle. And then you give it a hollow again. See? Wow. Look at that. Look at that. And then you put that, sinigang seasoning, 2 packet, extra, extra strength, oh, 2 packet, oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. And then you halo again. Oh, halo. Hallelujah. Oh, look at that. I cannot wait, oh. That, what's that? Patis. Oh, you put that a little bit of that patis. Oh, keep going. Oh, don't stop. Oh, don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, you stop. Oh, that's enough. It's too salty, huh? Oh, what's this? Oh, pepper, black pepper. Oh, yeah, no, that's not a blow dryer, huh? That's black pepper grinder. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I cannot wait. Look at that one rib. Oh, so soft. Oh, you put that one silly. And then you just put it in like that. See, very easy. This very easy, instruction recipe. Oh, and then you put that green stuff or that one green bean again. Oh, yeah, no, that 2-inch cut snack bean. Look at that. Wow. Okay, make sure you taste, it's very good for your taste bud. You make sure you blow, You blow that, it's because it's very hot, You don't want to burn your tongue like that. And then go to, emergency department, you might go inside the ambulance, And then you close that. Okay, and then you put that bok choy like that. Oh, see, it's very easy. Oh, you just like that. You push down. No, shaken together, running over like that. Oh, and then you put that lid. Just relax. Okay, plating time. Oh, wow! Just put in the bowl like that. That. Oh, just put that. Wow! Picks a little bit. Oh, yeah, another rib like that because you need that protein. Oh, wow, and some sabaw. Oh, close up. Oh, zoom. Oh, wow, B-roll. Oh, woo. Oh, lots of rice. Oh, lots of rice. Oh, see, you're gonna get bangungot. Oh, and that of rice. Oh, and then that fish sauce with that red chili. Oh, and then, oh, look at that. Oh, more stuff on the plate. Oh, just for the visuals. Oh, see that green beans and then that more ribs like that. Look at that. Wow, I cannot wait to eat. Oh, and then put that sabaw on that rice. Oh, see? Oh, no, I'm gonna cut. Oh, look at that straight up the bone. Oh, tenderissim. Oh, tenderissim. And a little bit of patis. Oh, you put like that. Wow. Put on the spoon. You eat it. Sarap. Oh, very good. Oh. And then you eat like that. You put that sabaw. Oh, put it all over like that. See? Oh, wow. Follow for more, And please subscribe. Please like that. And then thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.